Hi everyone, welcome back to our AWS classes. So today we are going to launch one instance in the AWS cloud. So what is AWS here? Amazon Web Services. So if you go to the Google and search here as AWS management console, okay, so then it will redirect to the AWS welcome page. This is the welcome page. So in this you need to sign in to the console. So if you have already an account, it is okay. Otherwise you need to create a new account. So actually I have the account here. So with my login credentials I am login to my account. See here, it is my account. Here my name is displaying, right, Anji Gaud. It is my account ID, and here these are the informations. If I want to sign out, you can click here sign out. Okay, as of now it's okay. Now this is the AWS page. So in this you need to go to services. Here this square box is there, no? So click on the services. So you see all the service provided by the Amazon cloud, every service. So all these are all the services provided by the Amazon cloud. So as of now we are going to launch an instance, right? So to launch an instance we use the EC2 service. What is meant by EC2? EC2 stands for Elastic Cloud Compute. So I'm going to the EC2 dashboard. So this dashboard displays the total information regarding the EC2 service. So instances, how many instances are running here, and dedicated hosts, instances, load balancers, security group, volumes, auto scaling groups. These are the information present in the EC2 dashboard. So if you go to this right side corner, you can see this here. You can see the region, right? So if you click on the region drop down, so there are total regions where the AWS cloud is providing the services. So these are the regions where AWS providing the services. So now currently I am using the US East, that is North Virginia, right? So North Virginia region I am selected. So I am deploying my instance in North Virginia region, right? Okay, so no issue with this. If you want to deploy your instance in the Asia Pacific, that is nothing but Mumbai region, you can. Okay, so as of now I choose the North Virginia. Then click on the here launch instance. Click on the launch instance. Then this page will redirect you. So it will redirect to the launch instance page. In this page you find the first one is name. So you should, whatever the name you want to give to your instance, give the name to your instance. So as of now, first, it is my first instance, right? So I am giving server host. It is my instance name. Okay, so this is my instance name, this is my server name. So next one, and here one more thing is there are some restrictions while giving the names to anything, any service, S3 VPC, any service, uh, some rules for the naming. Okay, so next one. So here what is this application and OS image? So you should need to select the one OS for your instance. Okay, so here Red Hat Linux, Windows, Ubuntu, Mac OS, these are all the different types of OS images. So as of now I am choosing the Red Hat Linux OS. Okay, if you want go with the Windows, you can go with the Windows also. So as of now I choose the Red Hat. So here see here Amazon Mission Image, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 HVM SSD volume type. So this is about hard disk, your hard disk type it is. So now description provided by the Red Hat. Okay, architecture, it is architecture verified provider. Then instance type, so you can choose the instance type also. Here T2 nano, micro, small, medium, large, extra large, nano, T3 nano, same. So you can choose anything here. So as of now I am choosing here T2 micro, which is free tier eligible. So this is free tier eligible means no cost. So we won't pay anything to the AWS cloud provider. Okay, right. Then this is most important thing, key pair login. So what is key pair login means? This is like a key to your instance, like a key to your instance. So without key pair you won't create an instance. So just click on here, create a new key pair. So then here give your key pair name. So I am giving my key pair name as server host. Server host, sorry, so little bit it is slow. Yeah, server host, right? Server key, I am giving server as server key. Okay, right. So here key pair type is there. So what is the key pair type? The key pair type is RSA and ED25519 algorithm. So these are the two algorithms. So this is two algorithm providing RSA and ED25519. So as of now we are using the Linux server, Linux OS. So we should select .ppk format, .ppk format. Then create a key pair. Click on the create key pair. Then once you click on the create key pair, then it will automatically download it to your downloads folder. Okay, so the key pair is already downloaded. So now you can select that key whatever you created just now. See here, server key.ppk, it is downloaded, done, right? Just select the key whatever you created recently, that is server key, right? So the server key is created and I uploaded to here. I selected here, okay, with the help of the drop down. So next one, the network settings. In the network settings, you as of now you don't know about any network, so give them as a default. So they are already default, right? So here, see here, VPC is default, and here firewall security, it will create automatically, create security group, it will create security group with the default parameters. Okay, so next one, configuration storage. Coming to storage, it is providing 10 GB and processor, the type is GP2. Okay, so if you want increase it, you can increase the size also, 12 GB, 14 GB, 16 GB, okay, whatever it may be. So next one, click on the launch instance. Yes, so it is successfully launching your instance. If anything went wrong, then your instance won't be created. Okay, so if anything went wrong, so your instance won't be created. So 79% of creation is completed, and we need to wait for the remaining thing. Yes, the successfully initiated launch of instance, your instance ID. Yes, yeah, now these are the things you can add to your instance. What are the things you can add to your instance? Create billing alerts, connect to instance, connect to RDS database and EBS snapshot policy, and manage detailed monitoring and create load balancer and AWS budget and CloudWatch alarms. These are all things you can add to your instance, but you are not aware of all these things right now. So you know, don't go with this anything. Just click on the view all instances. Whenever you click on the view all instances, whatever the instances present in this region, North Virginia, that instances will be displayed here. So now, as of now, there are only one instance running in the North Virginia region, right? So click on this checkbox. Then if you click on the checkbox, once you click on the checkbox, the related information will be displayed down. See here, details. In the details tab you can see, just I am scrolling up it upside. Okay, right. So here instance ID, this is the instance ID. Whenever you want to copy anything, just you click on this copy, then everything will be copied. Okay, don't use this select and copy. Okay, just you click on this square brackets, squares, it will be automatically copied. So this is your public IPv4. So this is public IP address and this is private IP address. So and here public DNS. Okay, here host type. So this is your host type and host name and type. Okay, then instance type. What is your instance type? T2 micro. And a VPS ID, this is default VPS ID. Subnet also default subnet ID. And yeah, this is your platform. What platform you use it here? Red Hat Linux. Okay, that is a platform. This is AMI ID. AMI stands for Amazon Mission Image. So monitoring is disabled, termination protection is disabled, and AMI name, this is your AMI name, RHEL, Red Hat Linux Enterprise. Okay, next one, this is Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Okay, stop protection disabled. Launch time, whatever the time you are launching your instance, it will be recorded. See here, Sunday October 29th 2023, at what time you are launching, the time will be captured here. Then AMI location, whatever the region you are launching your AMI, that will be captured here. Next one, key pair, whatever the key pair you are using for this instance to launch, that is key pair name is server key. Next one, so this is a usage operations and owner and current instance boot mode. Okay, so just go with this. Your owner see, this is my account ID, right? 53102022. So see here, owner is, who is owner here? 53102022. This is the owner, so I am the owner for this instance. So this is about your details of your instance. Coming to security, as of now you don't know about the security and networking, storage, status check, monitoring, these all are you don't know, right? So we just created an instance. Okay, now we created an instance, right? So how to connect this instance to the terminal? So you need to download one third party tool, that is Putty. Okay, this tool you need to download, Putty. So Putty, yeah, you need to download this Putty to connect to your server. So then I already downloaded this one, so you need to go with the here, click on this download Putty, and it is free, there is no cost for this. And once you click on this, then it will show like this. So you choose your operating system. If your operating system is Windows, you go with the Windows. And if you're using Linux or Mac OS, with you go with your respective OS. Okay, see here, now here, what is here 64-bit Windows. Yeah, you have to choose your Windows bit type, and you can choose here and download it. Okay, if your Windows is 32-bit, if your machine is 32-bit, you can choose 32-bit. If your machine is 64-bit, then you can use a 64-bit with the Windows type. So others are here, other files. Okay, we don't need, as of now I am using the Windows. Okay, so right now, okay, it is completed. Just once download, then you have to install it. Then once installation is completed, you just go with here and search for the Putty in the search bar. So just search the Putty here, then you will get that Putty. Now open that one. So it is opened, right? So it is keep aside. So two times it is opened, so one is required for us. Just once click on the server, whatever you are whatever you created, then just click on the connect. So here it is showing connect to instance. So here are the ways, these are the ways present to connect to your instance. So as of now I am using SSH client. Okay, so your procedure is there how to connect the instance. So just copy this thing, whatever the thing it is. Yeah, just copy this thing, ec2-user @ec2, copy it. And you already opened the Putty, right? So just open it and paste over it, the same thing you have to paste here. Yes, you have pasted. Then go to connections. In the connections part, SSH. In the SSH part, authentication. In the authentication, credentials. In the credentials, you choose the private key file authentication. Private key for file authentication. So just click on this, then it will go to your Windows. Yeah, in the downloads, it will present your server key. Then open it. Just click on your open, so it will automatically connect to your, yes, it is successfully connected to your server. You can connect with your server anywhere with the help of the security key. You need the that key pair. Okay, that is nothing but our public key or the private key is there na, that is server key. So with your key pair you can log in from anywhere in the world. So right, you can log into your instance. So this is our server. Now here just click on here, then you can go with the settings, change settings. In the change settings you go for the appearance. In the appearance you go for the this font career new. So select the font whatever you want and give the little bit size bigger and click on OK and apply. Then your font size is changed, right? So you successfully created an instance and you have to all sorry, you created an instance and you access the instance to the terminal. Okay, terminal putty is a terminal, so it is used to access remotely. Okay, you can access your instance remotely. So now you can anywhere you can connect your instance with the use of a tool that is called putty. Okay.